Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. An update video on the Aliner Classic for those who are interested. Starting from the outside, we've added the 87-pound struts on the outside. Opens and closes perfect now. Changed all of the locks. Added new weather seal on all of the walls. Added new bungees. I still need to do the weather seal up there. We'll go around to the left side. We've added a new 30 amp plug here. Locking. We've added a 7 to 4-way plug for just the quick toes. We've added the 12-volt box with the battery in the front. The whole 12-volt system works, as you can see. Oh, that is on, but it's super hard. And then on the inside, we are at painting now. So we've got everything primed, subfloors all in, fridge is in, front wall's been rebuilt, back wall's been rebuilt. Like I said, everything's all primed up. Started working on the 12-volt system over here. Got the meter, an extra battery box, the 120 volt need to work on. I gotta get the heater in still with all the propane connections. But overall, guys, everything's nice and sealed in here. We had a huge storm come through and no leaks. Oh. Good thing it didn't kill the battery. That was running all night. But overall, guys, everything is looking mint. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in, supporting. Peace, love, and cheers.